So, there's this idea, this narrative that's been floating around for a while now. The idea of looking beyond the familiar, of finding a new place to call home. A place that not only accepts you, but actively wants you there. And for Black Americans, this conversation has taken on a whole new level of significance. It's about more than just a change of scenery. It's about finding communities where you can thrive, build, and contribute without the historical baggage that can often feel heavy. It's a search for opportunity, for respect, and for a quality of life that feels, well, deserved. This isn't just about a vacation. It's about relocation, about planting new roots. We've been digging into the data, listening to the stories from expats on the ground, and looking at the policies countries are putting in place. What we found is a fascinating landscape of nations rolling out the welcome mat. These aren't just random spots on a map. They are countries with specific, tangible reasons why they are becoming havens for Black Americans seeking a new chapter. From favorable visa programs and booming economies, to rich cultural tapestries and genuinely welcoming local populations, the pull factors are strong. It's a global shift, and it's happening right now, creating these incredible pockets of opportunity all over the world. Welcome back to the channel. This is Facts Zone Planet. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's both incredibly important and genuinely exciting. Our list of the top 10 non-African countries that are not just open to, but are actively encouraging Black Americans to come live, work, and build a future. We're going to break down the why, the how, and the what it's really like for each one. This is about giving you the real, practical information you need if you've ever considered making that big move. It's a huge decision, so getting the details right is everything. Before we jump in and start our world tour, you already know the deal. If you appreciate this kind of deep dive content, if you're curious about what the world has to offer, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to absolutely demolish that button down below. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know, and tells the algorithm that this is the kind of conversation we need to be having more of. Alright, enough talk. Let's get into it. First up on our list is a country that's a feast for the senses. Thailand is known for stunning beaches, ornate temples, and incredible street food. It offers a unique combination of a low cost of living and a surprisingly high quality of life. It's this balance that's making people take a serious second look at the land of smiles. For many Black expats, this translates into an environment with fewer racial tensions. Thailand has been actively courting foreign talent with programs like the Thailand Elite Visa. High-speed internet is widely available, and co-working spaces are popping up. There are established and very active networks of Black expats in Thailand, providing a built-in support system. The most common entry point is teaching English, but there are increasing opportunities in IT, marketing, and creative fields. Imagine finishing your workday and heading out for a $5 world-class meal. Weekends can be spent exploring ancient ruins or hopping on a cheap flight to a tropical island. The language barrier is real, and navigating bureaucracy can be a lesson in patience. Ultimately, Thailand presents a compelling package for Black Americans looking for a reset. Next up, we're heading to Europe, specifically to its sun-drenched western coast, Portugal. For years, Portugal has been quietly gaining a reputation as one of the best places for expats, and that reputation is now resonating loudly within the Black American community. The appeal isn't just one single thing, it's the entire ecosystem. You have this incredible blend of old-world European charm, stunning natural beauty from the golden beaches of the Algarve to the rolling hills of the Douro Valley, and a surprisingly affordable cost of living, especially when compared to its neighbors like Spain or France. What really sets Portugal apart are its visa policies. The country has some of the most accessible residency pathways in the European Union. The D7 visa, often called the passive income visa, is a game changer for retirees or anyone with a steady remote income, like freelancers or online business owners. It provides a clear, straightforward route to residency and eventually citizenship. This isn't a vague promise, it's a defined government policy that signals a clear message. We want you to come here, live here, and be part of our community. The culture here is famously relaxed and family-oriented. The Portuguese people are generally known for being warm, reserved, but polite, and welcoming to foreigners. there's a slower pace of life, a viva vida philosophy that prioritizes time with loved ones and enjoying simple pleasures over the constant hustle. For many Black Americans leaving a high-stress environment, this cultural shift can be incredibly therapeutic. It's a society that values people and connection, creating a soft landing for newcomers. Furthermore, Portugal is one of the safest countries in the world. It consistently ranks high on the Global Peace Index, which is huge for families looking to raise children in a secure environment. This sense of safety permeates daily life. You feel it walking through Lisbon's historic neighborhoods at night or letting your kids play in the local park. This peace of mind, combined with accessible public health care, creates a foundational sense of well-being that is a massive part of Portugal's overall appeal. Let's talk about diversity and inclusivity, because this is crucial. Portugal has a long history of exploration and connection with Africa. This history is reflected in its population, particularly in Lisbon, which has a significant Afro-Portuguese community and residents from former colonies like Brazil, Angola, and Cape Verde. This creates a cultural fabric that is more diverse and visibly Black than many other Western European nations. For a Black American, you are not an anomaly. You are part of a multicultural landscape. This existing diversity fosters greater inclusion. While no country is free from racism, the context in Portugal is different. Many Black expats report feeling a sense of relief, a shedding of a certain weight, as they navigate a society where their Blackness isn't the primary filter. They are often perceived as American or foreign first, which allows for more nuanced and individual interactions, a refreshing change from the heavily charged racial dynamics back home. The opportunities in Portugal are growing, especially in the tech sector. Lisbon has emerged as a burgeoning tech hub, attracting startups, international companies, and digital nomads. This has created demand for skilled professionals in software development, digital marketing, and user experience design. The government is actively encouraging this growth with incentives and events like the Web Summit, one of the largest tech conferences in the world. For Black professionals in tech, this means a chance to be part of a dynamic and expanding ecosystem. In the end, Portugal offers a powerful combination of practical benefits and quality of life. You have friendly visa policies that provide a clear path to residency. You have affordable cost of living. You have safe, relaxed, and family-friendly culture. And you have a diverse, inclusive society where you can find community and belonging. It's this complete, well-rounded package that makes Portugal not just a beautiful place to visit, but a truly compelling place to build a new life. Alright, so coming in at number 3, we've got Panama. Panama is the crossroads of the Americas. It's a country built on connection and the movement of people and goods. This has created a culture that's inherently open to outsiders. This translates into a really practical, expat-friendly environment. A country that runs one of the world's most important shipping canals has to be good at logistics. You get solid internet, modern banking systems, and affordable healthcare. Panama has what's called the Friendly Nations Visa, a game changer for people from the US and about 50 other countries. There's a significant and well-established Black expat community here, with networks already in place. The cost of living is a huge draw. Once you step outside the capital, your money goes a lot further. You're moving to a place where a vibrant community of people like you is already flourishing. At number 4, we're heading to Brazil. This huge, vibrant country has a deep Afro-Brazilian heritage. Brazil has the largest African diaspora outside of Africa, influencing the music, food, and culture. Salvador, Bahia, celebrates these African roots. You'll see capoeira, taste acarajé, and feel the samba rhythms. It creates a powerful sense of connection, reflecting your heritage on a national scale. Being Black in Brazil is the norm, with Black people visible in all walks of life. The draw is this rich cultural tapestry, connecting with the African diaspora. It's a place where African contributions are the foundation. Brazilians are warm and welcoming, with a passion for life. From Rio's beaches to the Amazon, Brazil offers diverse experiences. Brazil is for those seeking a deep cultural dive, surrounded by a powerful Black identity. It's a life rich in culture and connection. At number 5, we're heading to Costa Rica. Costa Rica is about peace, nature, and a philosophy of life they call pura vida. This translates to pure life, embodying optimism and a relaxed approach to life. Costa Rica constitutionally abolished its army in 1949, investing in education, healthcare, and environmental protection, creating a stable society. The appeal of a country that has actively chosen peace is incredibly powerful. Costa Ricans, or Ticos, are known as friendly and welcoming. The core appeal is this holistic sense of peace. You can't talk about Costa Rica without its incredible natural environment. Nearly a third of the country is protected in national parks and reserves. For anyone who loves the outdoors, Costa Rica is basically paradise. There is a significant Afro-Costa Rican community, particularly on the Caribbean coast. This combination of a peaceful society and stunning nature has attracted a large expat community. Costa Rica offers a very specific and desirable kind of life centered on peace and well-being. For the Black American looking for a true sanctuary, Costa Rica is an absolutely top-tier choice. Coming in at number 6, we've got Germany. It's the economic engine of Europe, built on precision and innovation. For Black Americans seeking career opportunities and a high standard of living, Germany is a top contender. Think engineering, automotive, renewable energy, and tech. Major companies are global leaders, actively seeking skilled international talent, encouraged by government policies. The startup scene, especially in Berlin, is electric, emphasizing work-life balance. Germany offers world-class public infrastructure, efficient trains, comprehensive healthcare, and often free education. Germany is actively grappling with its past while building a more diverse future. Cities like Berlin and Frankfurt are melting pots of cultures. Established Afro-German communities and a new wave of Black expats contribute to a dynamic environment. The trend is increasing openness, especially among the younger generation. Germany offers incredible opportunities for professional and personal growth, shaping the future. Alright, so for number 7, we are heading south of the border to Mexico. Mexico is having a moment, rapidly becoming a popular destination for expats, especially Black Americans. The appeal is easy to understand: rich culture, stunning landscapes, and warm people. But the biggest draw is the cost of living. Your dollar goes further, unlocking a quality of life that might be out of reach back in the States. This affordability extends to healthcare as well. Mexico has a very good healthcare system that is significantly less expensive than in the US. And then there's the sheer variety of lifestyles you can choose from. Mexico is a mosaic of different regions, each with its own unique character and charm. There's a large and rapidly growing Black expat community throughout the country. This sense of community makes the transition so much smoother and helps you feel at home almost immediately. The general attitude of the Mexican people is overwhelmingly welcoming. So when you put it all together, Mexico presents an almost unbeatable package for a certain type of person. It's a country that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and build a life that is both vibrant and sustainable. Okay, coming in at number 8 is Japan. It's a place that is incredibly unique, deeply traditional, and hyper-futuristic. It's a country of serene temples and neon-drenched cityscapes, of ancient rituals and robotic cafes. For a Black American looking for an experience that will challenge and expand your worldview, Japan is an unparalleled choice. The primary pathway for many expats into Japan is through work. The most well-known opportunity, of course, is teaching English. The tech industry in Tokyo is massive, and there are growing opportunities in fields like IT, finance, and engineering. Beyond the professional opportunities, there's the sheer experience of daily life in Japan. It's a society that runs on efficiency, politeness, and a deep respect for public space. And that culture is endlessly fascinating. From the culinary arts to the global phenomenon of anime and manga, there is always something new to discover and appreciate. Japan is a famously homogeneous society. What does that mean for a Black person moving there? It means you will stand out. That curiosity is very rarely rooted in malice. You are very unlikely to experience the kind of overt, aggressive racism that can be a reality in other parts of the world. The Japanese government is also actively trying to attract more foreign talent to combat its aging population. Ultimately, choosing Japan is a decision to embrace the unique. It's a chance to experience unparalleled safety and beauty, and to build a life in one of the most dynamic and fascinating countries on Earth. Coming in at number 9, Uruguay might be a hidden gem. It's often called the Switzerland of South America, known for its stability, safety, and progressive thinking. Uruguay consistently ranks as one of the safest and least corrupt countries in Latin America. It's a country that legalized same-sex marriage and regulated cannabis, ahead of many nations. This creates a relaxed lifestyle, emphasizing family, community, and simple pleasures. The society is generally open and tolerant. Uruguay is predominantly white, and the Afro-Uruguayan population is relatively small. Candombe music and dance is a beautiful expression of Afro-Uruguayan culture, celebrated by all backgrounds. Uruguay offers stability, safety, and a progressive mindset. It's a place to slow down and enjoy a high quality of life. For those prioritizing peace and tolerance, Uruguay is worth a closer look. Or, number 10, South Korea. This hyper-modern and dynamic country offers unique opportunities, especially for Black Americans. Ancient tradition and cutting-edge technology coexist here. Teaching positions offer competitive salaries and housing. Beyond teaching, opportunities in IT, engineering, and marketing are growing, especially in international companies. South Korea is incredibly safe with efficient public transportation. The food scene is phenomenal, and K-pop is a global force. As a Black person, you will stand out, sometimes facing ignorance. However, a supportive Black expat community provides vital resources. The influence of Black American culture creates connections. South Korea is for the adventurous, offering incredible opportunities and a vibrant community. So there you have it, our top 10 list of countries that are rolling out the welcome mat for Black Americans. From the laid-back beaches of Costa Rica to the hyper-modern streets of Seoul, the world is full of incredible places offering a fresh start, new opportunities, and a different way of life. We've covered a lot of ground today, and the main takeaway is this: you have options. The idea of living abroad isn't just a daydream, it's a tangible, achievable reality for more people than ever before. And there are communities and resources out there waiting to welcome you. This list is, of course, just a starting point. Every single person's journey is unique, and the perfect country depends entirely on your personal priorities. Are you looking for economic opportunity, a relaxed lifestyle, a deep cultural connection, or something else entirely? The best place for you is out there, but it takes research, introspection, and a leap of faith to find it. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and given you some solid places to begin that research. The world is a big book, and those who do not travel read only one page. But now, I want to turn it over to you. This conversation is a two-way street. If you're a Black expat living in one of these countries or somewhere else entirely, we want to hear from you. What has your experience been like? What are the pros and cons we didn't cover? Your insights are invaluable to everyone else in this community who is considering making a similar move. So please, drop your stories, your advice, and your perspectives down in the comments below. Let's build a resource together. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching and spending a piece of your day with us here at Fact Zone Planet. If you found this video helpful or interesting, you know what to do. Smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you don't miss our next exploration. We've got a lot more of the world to cover. Until next time, stay curious and travel safe. Peace.